How to enable basic protection on IMO application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to protect your chat privacy or keep your IMO account safe from unknown messages, then here's how you can enable the basic protection. First of all, launch open the IMO application on your phone or tablet and log in. Once you're inside, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile picture. After you're inside your profile section, go ahead and select Security and Privacy. Inside Security and Privacy, tap on Login Protection. Now, enable the switch right next to Basic Protection and click on OK. Once you enable this, you won't be able to log in with your account with versions that does not support two-step verification, so tap on OK. And you have enabled the basic protection on IMO. Now your account is a bit safer and you can enjoy chatting with more peace of mind. You can always turn it off by coming to the same menu and tapping on the switch and clicking on Disable if you ever wish to disable the login protection or basic protection option. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.